Okay, hello everyone. So, welcome to the new Pega Batch 30 session. And let me introduce myself. This is Ravi. I have total of 10 years of experience in Pega and 5 years of experience into Pega decisioning. And I will be the trainer for this entire course. This course is for the duration of 40 hours of training, and you will also be getting the Pega dumps, the interview questions, the certification assistance, job assistance, the projects, and we will be covering the Pega CPDC 24.1 version. So as part of this version, we will be covering all the Pega latest features, which we are going to see in the coming uh, time. So, and we will be learning throughout using a banking application, and we will also be providing you a weekly exercise on every Friday. So every Friday you will be getting a assignment which you are supposed to complete and work on it in order to make sure that you are practicing whatever the concepts that we are discussing on day-to-day basis. So let's get started, and I want some of you to introduce yourself and why do you want to learn Pega decisioning? Anyone of you? No one want to introduce about themselves?
Hi, I'm Satyajit. So I
Yeah.
have around 11 years of Pega, 10 years of 11 years of experience total, out of which 10 years is in Pega. So wanted to learn CPDC because of the project need, as well as I wanted to stay the current in the market because CTH is now booming much in the market and is uh, almost on every project this is being implemented everywhere. So yeah, that's why I wanted to learn this CDH.
Okay, great. Anyone else want to introduce about yourself?
Hi Ravi, this is
Hi guys.
Shruti. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Okay, okay,
Sure,
you
sure.
can.
This is hi guys. This is Vinay. As the previous members Satyajit mentioned, it was I mostly have like 7+ years of experience, and most of which on Pega. So it's CPDC. Like I've been thinking of some time, but looking at the market trends and future and Pega and everything, right? So I think that's the reason why I've chosen CPDC to going ahead with CPDC and learning more about it and still staying relevant in the market with multiple skills on Pega.
Okay, yeah, great. Yeah, sorry, please go ahead. Someone also want to.
Hi Ravi, this is Nikita. So currently I have been allocated to one of my CDH project. So that's why I want to learn CDH so that I can explore my project properly. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, anyone else, or we can go to the demo directly? All right. So yeah, so let us start with the first session, the demo session. So you will be having four demo sessions starting from today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And after Friday, you can make a decision whether to enroll or not. But even before that, also you can enroll and let us know. But you will be having the four demo sessions overall for this course. So first, let us start with next best action. So what is next best action or next best offer? So simply to say, next best action is nothing but the right offer to the right customer at right time. Okay, so just remember it with the definition, that is the right offer to the right customer at a right time. So basically, for example, let us say you purchased a mobile phone, then the business, right, they can offer you a headset, a compatible headset for that mobile phone, which is the right offer at the time, right? At the time, the right offer at the time for you is a headset which is which is to be given as soon as possible. For example, you purchase it, and if the offer is being made to you after 10 days, then you might have purchased it already. So the right offer to the right customer at right time. So basically the Pega decisioning and Pega marketing both are focused mainly on uh, promoting business products and services to the customer. Okay, so the entire Pega decisioning framework is mainly focused on how effectively we can promote the business products and services to the customers. Okay, now what is the difference between Pega decisioning and marketing is Pega decisioning is purely the decision making, right? That means which product or which service is best for this particular customer, which is also called as next best action. That is the right offer at right time to the right customer. Now Pega marketing focus on delivering this next best action to the customer through the channels. Okay, so overall this entire course, which is the Pega decisioning training, is focused on effectively promoting the business products and services to the customer. So mainly this Pega marketing or Pega decisioning is nothing but you're just doing some effective promotion. This is not development. Okay, this is not development, this is mainly marketing. Okay, this is Pega decisioning or marketing is mainly on marketing the business products and services and how best you do that. So there is no development, this is completely marketing and training that we are going to see. So why do we need to use NBA? What is the purpose of that? See, in today's world, in today's world, there are a lot of competitors for every business. If you take any industry, whether it is a telecom or banking or retail, e-commerce, any industry, there are a lot of businesses are there. Now, in order to compete with the competitors, every business has to do their marketing very effectively so that they can be on top of their competitors, right? So in Pega Decisioning, we are just purely doing marketing only. Okay, we are purely doing marketing only for the business products and how best you are going to do, how effectively you are going to do. So why do we need to do that? In order to stand top on the competition, right? If you are promoting something effectively, then you will be good. If you are not able to promote something, for example, you will daily get some spam calls on credit cards and personal loans and all that. No one cares about that until you need that particular service, right? If you don't need that, you will just simply block the call, right? Because I don't need the personal loan. So that's not an effective marketing how the business has to do. We have to find the interest of the customer, what product he need, what service he need. Then only we have to promote to that customer. So this entire course will focus on the areas how to effectively promote the business products and services to the customer, which is also called as next best action. Okay, which is nothing but right offer to the right customer at right time. So how does the Pega NBA provides this? How does they achieve this? So the Pega decisioning framework is purely built with all the features that will help the business to promote their products and services effectively to their customers. Okay, so let us take some typical scenario how the decisioning and marketing will be involved. So just I'm taking some sample example so that you can understand the difference between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So in the first icon, we are keeping some logic. Okay, we are keeping some logic. Say something like, for example, whenever the customer purchase the mobile phone, promote mobile headset. That is the logic that we have kept in the first icon. Okay, whenever the customer purchases a mobile phone, promote the mobile headset because the customer need that mobile headset. Whoever buys the mobile phone, we are not promoting the headset, we are not giving the headset along with the phone. So the customer need to purchase it separately. So that's the reason we are keeping the logic. Whenever customer purchase a mobile phone, we are offering mobile headset also. That is a promotion that we are doing. In the second icon, the customer is visiting the website. Okay, customer has opened the website. Then immediately in the third icon, the decisioning logic has triggered the offer and displayed to the customer. Okay, so whenever customer visited the website, for this particular customer, the next best action is mobile headset. So the logic has identified this customer and it has triggered the next best action is mobile headset. In the fourth icon, the customer is happy with the offer that he is seeing and he is very much interested to purchase and he has purchased it. Then in the fifth icon, we are sending that promotion details and the notification details to the customer in the fifth icon. Okay, so then the happy customers are made. Okay, so now where Pega decisioning and marketing is, so the decisioning is completely focused on identifying the next best action. Okay, in Pega decisioning, we have all the features, all the tools that will identify the next best action. Okay, that means what? That means for this particular customer, this is the next best action. For example, a customer who purchased a mobile phone, mobile headset is the next best action. For example, a customer who has, let us say, who has high monthly income, credit card is the next best action. So depending on each and every customer's profile, we will have a different next best action. Now the Pega decisioning main objective is to identify the next best action. Then what does Pega marketing do? Pega marketing main objective is to deliver the next best action. Okay, so whatever the Pega decisioning has identified for a given customer, that next best action will be delivered to the customer. Okay, that's what we'll do. Sorry. So whatever the next best action Pega decisioning has identified, right? The same next best action will be delivered to the customer through Pega marketing features. Okay, so previously in 8. Till 8.4, we used to have a separate frameworks, decisioning framework and marketing framework. But starting from 8.5, both Pega decisioning and marketing are part of PCDC, that is Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant, which is our course. So that means in our course, we will cover both Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So Pega decisioning will not do any communication to the customer. So the main job of Pega decisioning is to identify what we need to send for this customer. But Pega marketing job is to send to that customer through, let us say, through SMS, through email, or through mobile application, through website like that. Okay. So Pega marketing job is whatever the decisioning has identified, that will be sent to the customer through different channels. Any confusion till here? Any questions till here? Clear on the difference?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm just mentioning the same thing what we are doing here. So just an example, okay, how Pega decisioning and marketing works together. Now let us understand more about the difference between Pega decisioning and marketing. So Pega decisioning mainly involves on logic creation, that is to identify the next best action. That means for a given customer, for example, customer ID 100, customer John, what is the next best action for this customer? Now Pega marketing has no brain. Okay, Pega marketing has no brain. whatever Pega decisioning has identified, it will simply communicate that next best action to the customer. Okay, so decisioning is the complete brain where we will identify what is the next best action. Pega marketing is no brain. Whatever the decisioning will identify, it will simply communicate that next best action to the customer. That is the difference between main difference between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. Now, as part of identifying the next best action for a given customer, we have some topics in Pega decisioning like strategies, models, data sets like that, which we are going to cover. Same way, as part of delivering the next best action to the customer, in Pega marketing, we have some topics like campaigns, actions, treatments, all those things, which we are going to cover. Now, in Pega decisioning, whatever we send to the customer, we call them as propositions. Okay, so again, don't get confused. Again, we will see how to create them, what is the purpose of that, all those things. Just I am giving like a heads up, that's it. Propositions means what? Anything that you propose to the customer is called as a proposition. So just before I told you, right, for mainly what we are doing here in Pega decisioning framework, we are actually promoting the business products, services, and whatever the business is having. We are just doing the promotion. Entire Pega decisioning concept is to do some effective promotion, to do some effective marketing. So whatever we are promoting to the customer, or whatever we are proposing to the customer, they are called as propositions. For example, for a customer one, you might provide some product. For customer two, you might provide some discount. For customer three, you might provide some service. Okay, so different types of promotions will be there, right? Like a coupon, a discount, a product, a service. So many types of offerings will be there. So the generic name that is given to all of them is called as proposition, which is nothing but anything that you propose to the customer is called as proposition. Now the same way you call in Pega marketing the same proposition, you call it as actions. Okay. Anyways, we will see in detail how to create and all those things in the coming sessions. And like I told you, Pega decisioning does not interact with the customer. The only job is you will give the customer data to this decisioning. It will just identify what we need to send to that customer. That's it. There is no interaction with the direct customer in Pega decisioning. In Pega marketing, we will directly communicate with the customer. Okay, we will directly communicate with the customer in Pega marketing. Okay, let me know any questions or any confusion till there. Or if it is clear, then we will go with the next topic.
Ravi, one thing. So this is not related to, but so how it is different to the data scientist course, this CDH?
So data scientist course is more like Pega decisioning in depth. Okay, so when we discuss like Pega decisioning identifies the next best action. As part of identification, there is some part of machine learning, artificial intelligence, algorithms are involved, because you cannot purely identify, right? For this customer you send this, for this customer you send that, means it's not like that. You have to do some analysis on the customer's behavior, on the customer's profile. Then only you can identify what we need to send. As part of that analysis, we have the data science concepts, data scientist. Okay, so we will
Okay.
not cover in depth on data scientist, but we'll just touch that and we'll go to the next topic. That's it.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'll show you the curriculum at the end of this session so you can go through that. Okay. Any other questions from anyone? Okay. Uh, so now let us go to the next. main topic, that is the CDH portals. So basically, what is CDH? CDH is the main portal that you are going to learn and work throughout your entire CDH experience, that is a Pega decisioning experience. So CDH stands for Customer Decision Hub. So this is the portal for both Pega decisioning and Pega marketing teams, where you will be working on the Pega decisioning and marketing implementation. Okay, I'll show you just sometime. I'll show you now. I'll just open and show you how it looks like and how do we do that. But your entire project, you will be working on this portal only. That is called CDH portal, which is Customer Decision Hub. So then there are other portals also that you will be working on. The second one is Prediction Studio. So Prediction Studio is like a analytical portal for the models. That means, see, in the Prediction Studio, all your models and analysis related algorithms, the data science concepts, all of them you can find it in the Prediction Studio. Okay, so like I told you, decisioning mainly focus on identifying the next best action. So in order to identify the next best action, there should be something that should give the analysis, right? That analysis is done by the models. Okay, so the models will do the analysis and it will give you the next best action. Okay, for this customer, this is the next best action. Like that, the models will help you, because all this is completely data science and machine learning, right? Using machine learning and artificial intelligence only we can effectively understand what we need to promote. That is the reason we are doing all those things in the Prediction Studio. Then the next portal that we have is the Next Best Action Advisor. So what is this Next Best Action Advisor? See, for example, let us say you are calling to the customer care, Airtel customer care, saying that you are not having the mobile data, something like that. So the customer care person, they will help you with your problem. After helping you with your problem, they will simply say, you have some 2 GB mobile data offer with 10% discount. Okay, 2 GB mobile data offer is there for you with 10% discount. So basically, they are just promoting the Pega offers through the customer service, right? So I believe most of you might have already done with customer service or used the customer service, where you have the inbound calls and outbound calls. So what does Next Best Action Advisor will do is, whatever the Pega marketing offers are there, those offers will be displayed in the customer service portal. That is the interaction portal. I believe that you might have used the interaction portal in the customer service framework. So whenever you are calling to the customer care, or whenever the customer care is calling to you, that is inbound calls and outbound calls, they can see the Pega marketing offers on their interaction portal. So to do that integration between Pega decisioning and Pega customer service, we will be using NBA advisor. That's what the NBA advisor will do. Then finally, we have one more thing that is called as one-to-one operations manager. So what does one-to-one operations manager will do is, the one-to-one operations manager is used to for the business to create the change request and validate them. Basically, uh, for example, the business want to create a new offer. The business want to update the existing offer. That is, create a new proposition, update the existing proposition. These kind of requests are there. They can directly do that from the one-to-one operations manager. Okay, so the business has some new requirement, they will create that in the operations manager and we have to work on that. So all these portals we will be seeing it in the coming sessions. And okay, but till then, any questions or any confusion, let me know. Okay, so otherwise let us continue. if there are no questions. Okay, so before we go to the next slide, let me show you how to open the CDH. So yeah, basically we will see how do we cover the daily practice, daily topics. Okay, so I'm just sharing some link in the chat where you can go through the challenge and open the Pega CDH portal. So what you need to do, just go to this link. Okay, I'm just pasting in the chat for everyone. So how do we practice every day is we will practice through the challenges on the exercise system. Okay, we'll be practicing through the exercise system. So if you open this particular link and if you scroll down, just click on the initiate instance. So not only this, if this doesn't work, there are other links also. I'm just sharing all of them to the chat. Just save this link somewhere in the notepad or wherever you can store them. Please store them. Okay, just you can store them. Okay, so you can now click on the launch button. Okay, so now the Pega exercise system is ready. So then what you need to do is just click on this link and log in with the credentials. Click on login. So I'm just sharing the credentials also in the chat. So please save this somewhere. Okay, every day we will be using these links only to practice. System architect, password is rules. Okay, for all the exercise systems, this is the same username and password, which is decisioning architect, and password is rules. So please save this credential somewhere and try to practice with the same exercise system. Okay, now welcome to the customer decision hub. This is our customer decision hub. Okay, this is our customer decision hub, and on the left side you can see all the navigation where you can practice and learn the things. Now, in order to go to the prediction studio, you just need to click on the intelligence prediction studio. So this is where you can see the prediction studio. Okay, this is the prediction studio. So where you have all the models and predictions, lot of things are there which we are going to learn in the coming sessions. But this is how the customer decision hub looks like, which is nothing but called as CDH. CDH stands for customer decision hub. So entire Pega decisioning and marketing you will be doing in this portal only. Okay, our entire Pega decisioning and marketing will be doing in this portal only, the CDH portal, which we are going to see in the upcoming sessions. So I hope that you have saved the links and the credentials somewhere, right? So now let us proceed with the next slide. Okay, so now that we have understood the difference between Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So like I told you, Pega decisioning main goal is to identify the next best action for a customer. That means for a given customer, what is the next best action that we can provide. Now, Pega marketing is how to deliver this next best action to the customer. So, Pega decisioning has already identified the next best action for a customer. Pega marketing has to communicate this next best action to the customer. So, as part of this communication, there are two types of Pega marketing. Okay, there are two types of Pega marketing. The first one is called as inbound marketing. Second one is called as outbound marketing. Okay, inbound marketing and outbound marketing. So, what is the difference? See, inbound marketing involves customers contacting the business. Outbound marketing means business contacting the customers. So just before also I have given you one example, right? What is that example? For example, you are using Airtel mobile mobile data. You are using Airtel mobile data. So somehow you did not use the mobile data, but you lost the entire data. So what you will do? You will call to the customer care. You will call to the customer care and you will explain your problem. Now, after your problem has been fixed, the customer care person, they will try to promote some product or some service, saying that we have some 10 GB mobile data, 10% discount is there. So they will try to do some promotion to you. Not only this, anywhere, wherever you go. Okay, for example, you went to purchase a laptop. You went to purchase a laptop at a e-commerce store. You have purchased the laptop. After purchasing the laptop, that reception person or the sales executive will say, we have some 50% discount on laptop bag. So this is called as inbound marketing. That means the initiation has come from customer. The customer has reached the business for some or other reason. Okay, the customer has reached the business for some reason, and the business started to promote. This is called as inbound marketing. Now, outbound marketing means like the daily calls and the daily emails that you get, the spam calls and all those. Do you want personal loan? Do you want credit card? Do you want debit card? All those emails and phone calls and SMS that you get, right? All that is called as outbound marketing. Okay, inbound marketing, customer has initiated the communication to the business. Outbound marketing means business has initiated the communication to the customer. Understood? Any questions? Clear?
So
Yes, sir.
inbound marketing, we have it will take the help of customer service, right?
Not only customer service, there are other places also, like website is there, mobile application is there. For example, you downloaded some mobile application, okay, some Airtel or HDFC Bank or something. So you will only open the mobile application, right? The application will not open for you. So you will open the mobile application and you will go to some dashboard or some accounts page. After going to that page, you will see some offer. Okay, you will see some offer, something like a free debit card. Some free debit card you will see. But who has started the communication here? Customer has started, right? Customer has reached the business. Then the business started to do some marketing. So that is called as inbound marketing. So where all you can do in Pega is you can do it through the retail, website, customer service, mobile applications also. That means you can do some inbound call to the customer care. That is also inbound marketing. Let us say you are opening the mobile application. That is also inbound only. Let us say you are opening the website. Let us say you go to the HDFC Bank website. Then you see the offer. Okay, you go to the website and then you see the offer. So here also customer is contacting the business, inbound marketing. Then retail means, like for example, you go to the DMart or some local store or some other local store you are visiting. You will do some purchase locally. You will purchase something, physical products. After you purchase, the receptionist will try to promote something. So that is retail channel. So all these are the retail channel. Not only the customer service, there are various other inbound channels are there, like retail, website, customer service, mobile applications. Okay, in all these places, you have to go there. Then they will promote. But in outbound marketing, for example, email, SMS. In email also we have inbound and outbound, but mainly in Pega, we will be considering email as outbound only. Okay, we will be considering as outbound only. That means the business is sending you daily some emails, right? You will be getting a lot of spam emails and the promotional emails you will be getting. All those are outbound marketing. Business is directly contacting you. You are not contacting them. They are just simply sending all the promotions and the products and services that they are having every day, they will keep on sending to you, right? So that is called as outbound marketing. Okay, that is called as outbound marketing. So now considering here, inbound marketing is very less costly, right? Because customers are already coming to them, you don't need to do any additional promotion. But outbound marketing is costly. So we need to identify to whom we need to send, what is their email ID. You need to do a lot of emails in order to attract the customer, right? If you send one email, it might not be enough. You might need to send 5 to 10 emails to get the attention of the customer. All these things will be there. But the clear difference is the initiation part. The initiation is coming from customer or the business. That is the main difference between inbound marketing and outbound marketing. Okay, like website, mobile applications, customer service, all these places, you will go to the business. Then the business will promote. But email, SMS, outbound calls, right? You'll get a lot of calls daily, but you are not contacting them. They are only simply calling to you, right? All this is outbound marketing. Okay, I hope that you understood. Or any questions still?
Yeah.
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 So out. Yeah, yeah, Vinay, go on. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So, are we gonna cover this customer service related thing also as part of this?
Right, right. We will cover that. Yes.
You mean customer service framework scenarios, inbound and outbound
No, no, no,
calls?
not customer service framework. We will cover how the integration happens from customer service and Pega marketing. So customer service is out of scope for this course. That's a separate training again. But I
Okay.
will cover like how to integrate customer service and Pega marketing. That's what we'll see. Okay. Yeah. Next question, please.
Ravi, but the first mobile app that I opened and then the offers which are showing, so that is the first one is outbound marketing, right? So, the outbound marketing which you said, the email, phone call, and that is fine. That is pure outbound marketing because the customer is not at all involved with that. So he's simply getting all the offers. But when I open the app for the first time, when I'm started to get offers, so that will be on the basis of something, right? I'm getting the offers and all those.
Right. You're
So
only
that,
opening the app. You're only opening the app, right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
that's an inbound. That's an inbound. See, don't get confused between two things. There is mobile app, push notification, right? See, for
okay,
example, if you are downloaded the Zomato or Swiggy or these apps, right? Every day they will keep on sending some notifications, right? So that is again outbound marketing, right? You are not opening the application, but still they are keep on sending you the notifications to you. So push notification is outbound marketing.
okay,
But when you go to the app, inside the app, when you are seeing the app, when you are browsing the app, you will see some banners or something on the app. That is inbound marketing. Okay, I'm not talking about the push notifications that you get daily. That's outbound
okay,
marketing. But when you open the app, you in the app while you're scrolling the app, there you will see some banners and some products or some offers, right? Those that is called as inbound marketing here. Okay, got it?
yeah, got it.
Yeah. Same with the website also. You will go to the website. Website will not come for you, right? You will have to enter the URL and you have to go to the website. Then only you will see some offers and some promotions there. So this is inbound marketing because customer has started the communication. Okay. Anyways, we will see in detail how that looks like and how to configure those in the coming sessions. Now, before we go to the next session, next slide, I want to communicate to everyone that it is very important that you learn Pega BPM before you actually go for the Pega decisioning. Okay, so I just show that also before you go. Yeah. So let us understand the prerequisites for learning the Pega CDH, Pega decisioning. The first and foremost mandatory requirement is every one of you should have at least CSA level knowledge or CSA certification. when I say that, I'm expecting all of you have at least 2 to 3 years of experience in Pega. The reason is, even though we are learning Pega decisioning, 30 to 40% of our daily work will be in Pega only. That means you need to write the data transforms, activities, you need to create the Pega case types, you need to create some service rest, connect rest, all these things also will be there. Okay, so that means 30 to 40% of your work will be in Pega. So that's the reason you need to already have some Pega experience. At least CSA level experience is mandatory. So if anyone is there without Pega experience, let me know. Anyone is there who don't know Pega at all? That means with zero level experience. No one? Okay. So again, if anyone is there without Pega experience, please take the Pega training also parallelly, because without that you cannot understand, or even if you understand also, you cannot perform in the project. So please take Pega training as well parallelly, because 30 to 40% of your work will still be in Pega BPM only. Okay, when I say BPM, all the Pega concepts will also be there, which you need to work on day-to-day basis. Only 60 to 70% of your work can be in CDH. Remaining 30 to 40% of your work will be in Pega only. Okay, so that's the reason, very important mandatory requirement. Everyone should have basic experience in Pega development. Okay, so starting from Pega 8.8, the personal edition has been retired and everyone is required to work on community edition or online edition. So whatever the link that I have shared in the chat, that is nothing but the online edition. So you can open that link and you can go to the CDH directly. Okay, that also you can do. And second option that we have is, we can actually open the community edition. So what is that? See, there are two options are there for you to practice. One option I have already told you, that you need to go to the challenge, then you need to click on the launch Pega button. After you click on the launch Pega button, you just need to simply click on this icon and give the credentials. Second option is, if you are using the personal edition for the older version, or community edition is also there, right? So there you can actually practice the Pega decisioning concept. So the good thing is, the entire Pega decisioning concepts are also present in your personal edition also. Okay, so when I say Pega decisioning, like strategies, models, all these topics are present in personal edition also. So for example, if you go to the personal edition, it will look like this only, right? If you go to the records explorer, if you go to the decision category, you can see here I have predictive model, adaptive model, strategy, right? Strategy, proposition filter, decision data. All these things are part of Pega decisioning concepts. Okay, all these are part of Pega decisioning concepts. So all the Pega decisioning you can practice in your personal edition also. Okay, you can practice in your personal edition also, but only for Pega marketing you have to use the exercise system. Okay, only for Pega marketing you have to use the exercise system that we are going with, that we are seeing right now. Okay, so that is the advantage of having personal edition as well. So it is up to you. It is up to you whether you want to practice the Pega decisioning in personal edition or in the exercise system. It is up to you. Whichever is comfortable for you, you can use that. Okay. Okay, and yeah, like I told you, you just need to come to the CDH like this and you can start practicing here. Okay, you can just come to this link, log into your Pega PDN, then you will see this button, launch button. After you click on the launch button, then you can log into the CDH portal and you can start practicing. So this is about the practice. Any questions still here? Any questions? Any doubts on practicing and all those? Okay. So if no doubts, let me show you the curriculum that we are going to cover. So this is the first day, that is today. So what we have done today is we have just gone through the understanding of next best action. What is the difference between Pega decisioning versus Pega marketing? What are the list of decisioning and marketing portals are there? That portals we have seen. That's it. So from tomorrow onwards, we are going to see the practical sessions. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to see the practical sessions on the Customer Decision Hub portal. So the overall course duration will be 45 hours, 40 hours of technical training, 5 hours of project training. Okay. 40 hours of technical training and 5 hours of project training will be there. So this is our curriculum. I will share this curriculum to everyone. So for the first 15 to 20 days, we are going to see the Pega decisioning only. After that, we are going to start with Pega marketing. So that is how we have formatted this curriculum. Okay, that is how we have formatted this curriculum. And you can go through this curriculum. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you want to include something also, let me know. So let me also share you the certification link in the chat. So this is the link. Okay, just posting in the chat for everyone to go through. Yeah. So this is our introduction. Uh, Let me know, guys, any questions or anything. Did you understand what we discussed today? And so from tomorrow onwards, we will start with the practical sessions where we will understand the CDH portal, how to configure the CDH portal. All these things we'll be seeing practical sessions from tomorrow. But like I told you, please save these details, these links, the bookmark them, save the credentials, all these things you can save it and keep it with you so that you can use them for practicing every day. Yeah, please go ahead. Any questions or any doubts before we close?
Hi,
Can
Ravi.
you hear me?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah,
Uh,
both inbound marketing and outbound marketing, the logic behind the display of offers is decision is mega decisioning involved.
Yes, yes. For both, Pega decisioning is involved. Yeah. So for both
hello.
inbound and outbound, we will use Pega decisioning only.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you,
Okay.
Ravi.
Ravi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So I'm having 4 years experience on production PAU for Pega application. So is it good to learn CDH? I
Yeah,
don't
yeah. You
have
can
much
learn CDH.
development
Yeah,
experience.
not an issue. You can.
Hello, I can't hear you. So Ravi, can you hear me?
There is some technical issue, I think. It's showing the message.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, sorry guys, I lost the network. Any other questions from anyone?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Hi.
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, just a common question. Like in Pega PRPC for for logic creation, we'll be creating rules like activity data transforms, flow action section. Many rules are there. But in decisioning, is it like just a configuration level settings change, or will we be creating rules for implementing the logic for for
No,
any functionalities?
we'll be using both of them. Okay, so that's the reason we need to know Pega. So in Pega decisioning also, we'll write activities, data transforms, all those. Along with that, we will also use the configuration that we do in CDH. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Got
so
it.
both of them will be using. Okay, any other questions from anyone?
Ravi, will you provide the curriculum so that we can prepare?
Yeah, yeah, we'll provide the curriculum within few minutes. You will be getting on email. Okay, for everyone, it will be sent to you. Go through the curriculum and let me know any questions that you have, any changes that you want. Let me know in the tomorrow session. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So we will meet again tomorrow, same time, 7:30, where we will start the practical sessions. So please make sure that you attend tomorrow, and we'll be covering the real time project from tomorrow. All right. See you all.